very terrible to bad, and then they're gonna make you leave, or so this type of place, if you've been through this, I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, I want you to share this video. It's very important. I'm gonna try my best to do the thumbnail. But if you are going through any of this, you wanna keep a track of all of this thing, and if it's keep happening, so you should be more alert. You should be like, okay, gather up stuff, okay? But either way, if it's keep happening, and you're doing something really good, I'm talking about, not somebody with extreme type of expectation, but if you're really mature and you know that you're doing the right thing and they're still getting rid of you because of salary purposes or whatever, or maybe you're just so technical, or maybe you're very good at catching fault or anything, always keep a record. Always start from the beginning. You want to start keeping a record, but also remember this: never lower down whatever you've been doing, or never stop doing whatever you're doing if it's if you're doing the right thing, because to satisfy them, or because, oh, what if they're gonna fire me, or this place gonna fire me again, or they're gonna do something shady, so I should start behaving. Never behaving on their way, like they think like, okay, hey, you should keep everything silent or don't get involved. Like, you should never well behave as in a point where you could be a manager, you could be a very high clearance manager, and then now you work in this new job with a different position, but then you're doing your job and they're still attacking you because they want to get rid of you, because whatever their reason. Never lower down your duty or whatever you're supposed to do just so you can get some extra cash, or you can never get fired. Like, never do that, okay? Because even one day you become a very big president, or if you become somebody with politics, and somebody can easily give you $1 million to keep your mouth shut. The decision was up to you. Are you gonna still keep your mouth shut, or are you gonna actually speak up or do what's right for you? Because anybody can just come up to me and give me a lot of cash or give me a reward, but as a pure heart or as a pure person, you should still do what's right for you, and without causing any harm or anything. So if this is keep happening, just keep a record and always check the company review, and also do your thing, but do your thing inappropriately, and always gather information, because one day they can be use stuff against you. So you want to do your best homework to gather up all these informations and have a big copy for you, okay? Because especially the private places are very shady, just so you know. I'm gonna be making a lot of video about this, but I'm really glad. And this video is also on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Like and subscribe, follow. Always, if you're by yourself, because you're hustling by yourself, you're not gonna bring your parents with you. You're not bringing your friends with you. There's a reason why companies don't want to hire friends or mutual friends sometime. Because they wanna save their asses, so you wanna always make sure that it's basically it's you and the camera and the voice recording. Those are your best friend, okay? Not your colleague, nobody else. You don't know who's gonna speak up. You don't know who's gonna talk behind your back, and especially if you have a high clearance, you also have to be careful, because they might give you a high clearance and still at the end they can blame it on you. You never know. So always watch out. Like, anybody famous, Nikola Tesla, Oppenheimer, you see what happened to the Oppenheimer movie at the end, right? I don't want to spoil it. More high clearance, more good job, extra careful, okay? You could be a manager of some of the biggest secretive company. You could be a manager of something, Always watch your back. Always cover your back. It's basically, one word, is 9 versus 1. Okay, you gotta do really good fact backup or fact witness from your side to battle with these people. That's it for today. Over.